Let's learn about the factor which affects distribution of population. Factors affecting distribution of population. There are several factors which control the distribution of population. Relief of the land, climate, and fertility of the soil and development of industries are the factors which affect the population distribution. Relief of the land plays a dominating role to influence the population distribution. Plains attract population while mountainous areas, badlands, rough and rugged lands repel population. The plains provide base for agricultural development. Hot deserts are too hot and dry to support population or agriculture. Hot and wet equatorial areas are also not favorable for human settlement. Only the areas with the favorable climate attract settlement. Fertility of soil support base for agriculture. Southeast Asia and the Nile Delta are thickly populated only because they have rich soils. Development of industries. Industries provide jobs and hence attract people, thus increasing density of population. Industrial nations of Europe and Japan are thickly populated largely because of industrialization. Religious place, development of education, medical facilities, and development of mining are some other factors which control population distribution. Growth of population. Population began to grow rapidly during the 19th century because of better medical facilities. Present world population is 6 billion. Growth rate is the difference between birth rate and death rate. The developed countries of the world have low birth rate and death rate. Their growth rate is generally less than 15 persons per thousand. Such countries are USA, Canada, Russia, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, Sweden, Switzerland, and other European countries. Population growth and economic development. Growth of population has a direct impact on the economic development of any country. High growth rate affects food supply. There is a shortage of food in many African countries. High growth rate gives rice water housing problems also. Rent of a house and land price goes very high and the poor people have to live on roadsides, under the bridges or parks, etc. High growth of population leads to the problem of the schooling, medicine, unemployment and social crimes. It also leads to the destruction of forest and rapid depletion of other resources which causes environmental degradation. Summary. The density or spread of population depends on factors like climate, fertility of the soil relief feature and accessibility of the area by road and railways. Based on these factors, the spread of population may be divided into three groups: areas of high density, areas of moderate density, and areas of low density. The growth rate of population has an adverse effect on development. All over the world, human population is not uniform. To overcome above all problems, government should keep watch on development and stability in population. That is all in this lesson. Keep learning.